Hello Baranzo, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today I'll be sharing with you how I simply achieved this black eyeshadow look using a very cheap palette. So if you're interested to see what is going on, please keep on watching. So I already had my foundation on, which is something you should not do, you guys. You must make sure you start with the eyes because black is hard to remove on your foundation. But to save myself, I made sure I went in with a lot of powder to catch all the flyaways that are going to be on my eyes. So now I'm going in with this all eyes on me wow eyeshadow palette. I did swatches of these two palettes, which the other one has mattes and the other one has shimmer, and it was about less than 100 and something on Dischem. And you guys, it's super pigmented, you'll never go wrong. So I'm going in with this black and a Cala brush, which is also from Dischem. Usually, you guys, I always make sure that I prime my eyes before any eyeshadow. So on this video, guys, I didn't even prime my eyes because I'm working with blacks, and again, I didn't really need a base because black was gonna overpower that, and this eyeshadow is super pigmented. But if you're working with a black that is just non-existent, you are free to go and prime your eyes. But because I know that this palette is bomb, I didn't have to. So I'm using a color brush, as I said, and this one, it is a dense brush. That means it doesn't freely move. It's not a blending brush, and it's just a little bit a brush that will help you with pigment. And as you can see, you guys, I'm holding the brush towards the end, and this brush, as I said, is not a blending brush, but because I am working with black and I don't want to blend it all the way up, and I don't want a super blend, and I want to take control of the blend that I am doing. I don't know if I'm making sense. I just hold it towards the end and start blending the edges and make sure that I am not moving the black super far, because the next thing you'll be blending your eyeshadow and you'll be somewhere on your forehead. So you want to make sure you use less at the time. As you can see, you guys, I first blended the eyeshadow that I had, and now that's when I'm going in with a fluffy brush, the one that I told you guys about. This one is a blending brush. Also, the brush that I'm using is by Cala, and I am just making sure I'm blending towards the end and being intentional of where I'm putting the black or the blend. So now I'm going back to the brush. Now I'm creating the shape that I want. I like the more, I don't know, it's like a slanted, more like I don't know, you guys, like going up towards the eyeshadow, towards the wing of my brow. I just like that shape because it opens up my eyes, because I've got Chinese eyes. So after that, you guys, can you see, if I didn't do the first step, my eyeshadow would be somewhere towards my cap. What is it called? Yeah, my cap. And now I'm going back to that blending motion, the one that you hold towards the end, and make sure that you are being precise of where you are blending your eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, because I showed you guys two eyeshadows, I'm using the one with the mattes and the shimmers. And now I'm going in with a brownish purplish look to close the eye. You do not want to go in with black underneath your eyes when you've got black on top. That is because, you guys, you are gonna look weird. So I made sure I used a darker color but not black, because I was gonna look like they hit me with something. Although you can still see it's a little bit dark as well, but it is way better than black. And I'm gonna use that eyeshadow to actually blend upwards to make sure it connects with the black, and make sure everything is smooth. You know, in this channel, guys, we make sure we blend. So the key here is the way you place your eyeshadow and blending. So you don't need to be really scared about black, guys. It's simple. You only use black, and that is actually it. And now I went in with the silverish to make sure that, I open my eyes more and make sure that this black has dimension, because you don't want to go around with just black, because it is intimidating, but sometimes it can be boring. So that is actually it, you guys. For those who have been asking for this video, I actually wanted to refilm this video, but I was tired and I didn't film a full tutorial, although I recorded the full look. I just went on and did the rest of the makeup, and that is actually it, you guys. I don't know why didn't I just put a full video, but I just wanted to focus more on the eyes and make sure that you guys fully understand. I hope you guys understood, and I know sometimes my explanations can be really weird and bad, but yeah, I hope you understand stand, and the lashes that I'm wearing, you guys, are from the Cula's, and I use the Essence glue, and I still have it, you guys, since I bought it last year, if not year before last. It goes a long way. So if you want to see how I do my lashes, also check the links down below so that you can see exactly what is it that I do to achieve a simple way of applying your lashes. So this is a day where I was filling my hair, and you guys, that's why it looks like that. But anyways, that is it from this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are not subscribed already, please do click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that every time I upload, you get to see my videos real quick. And you guys, thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.